Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how to pin chat on Snapchat in 2022, then you are at right place. So first you have to open chat from here, just bottom of the screen, and here select the chat you want to pin. For example, I'm going to pin my wife chat, so I'm just going to long press on this conversation and then I'm going to click here on chat settings. Here you will see the option pin conversation. Simply click here and here you go. So in this way you can pin chat on Snapchat. So I'm going to do for my friend here. So here we go. So hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.